Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the gold seeds during the Midas event and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Unlike the original grow a garden, you can't buy gold seeds from the shop. Instead, they only appear during a special weather event called the Midas Event. When the Midas Event starts, you will notice the moon turns golden and huge golden rings appear in the sky. Golden shooting stars will also begin falling across the map. That's your signal that gold seeds are spawning. As soon as gold seed lands, a notification appears and you need to quickly run to the seed before the other players grab it. Once you find it, hold the interact button to collect it like this. But you need to be super fast because you need to compete with the other players. And usually the gold seeds are here, guys, behind your gardens. So it's not on the center of the map, but on the corner behind your garden. And be careful because someone can smack you with the shovel like this. So yeah, I just got one gold seeds because this player smacked me. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the gold seeds and grow a garden during the Midas event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.